Hi everyone, it's Mandymations. Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I have really exciting news. I got a new pet. I got a baby bunny. Aww. And today we are going to Walmart in the hopes of finding some materials to make a cage for her. So without further ado, let's get going. So I just got back from Walmart and this is what I bought. If you can see, it is a cube organizer. I saw a bunch of videos on YouTube about CNC grid cages, but here in Puerto Rico I cannot find CNC graded CNC, so I'm going to improvise. Now this is the area that I am going to use, so let's get started. Now here are the panels, and if you can see, they are covered in plastic, which I think it'll be pretty easy to clean. Okay, so pardon the mess, but if you can see here, this is the space for my bunny, and of course there's like music in the back, and we have bunny stuff here. So now I'm just going to set it up. Now it's not gonna look super aesthetic because I have really random things, but in the future it will be cute. We have a special announcement, don't we?
Now, the winner of last week's giveaway is... Congratulations to MC for winning our very first giveaway. I will be contacting you shortly to get your mailing information. To everyone who participated, if you did not win this time, I will be making more giveaways soon once we reach more milestones. So yeah, I just wanted to say thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe, maybe consider hitting that bell icon so you get notified every time I post a new video. And yeah.